5 ways to recover deleted notes on iPhone. Recover notes from the recently deleted folder. Open the Notes app. Go to the main page. Under iCloud or on my iPhone, tap on Recently Deleted. Locate the deleted note and swipe left on it. Tap on the folder icon and select where you want to move the deleted note. Recover notes from Mail account. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Mail. Then go to Accounts. Select the email account and toggle the switch next to Notes to see the linked notes. Recover notes from iCloud on iPhone. Open the Settings app. Tap on your Apple ID. Go to iCloud. Locate the Notes app and toggle the switch to enable sync and view backed up notes. Recover notes from iCloud Notes web. Open your browser and go to the iCloud.com. Log into your account. Then, click on the Notes option. From the left sidebar, click on the recently deleted folder. If you see your deleted note, click on it, and above the note, click on Recover. Recover notes using Finder or iTunes. Connect your device to a Mac or PC with a Lightning cable. Open Finder and click on your iPhone name. Or open iTunes and click on the device icon. Scroll down to the Backups option and click on Restore Backup. Select the backup based on the date and click on Restore. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel